Hi guys, if you are struggling to get your art and craft perfect with some alcohol and you're getting blobs like this is the perfect video for you. I will be explaining on how to get better results with low viscosity resin. I recently got a sponsor for resin called Pour Epoxy. They do amazing work. If you feel like following them on Instagram, they are called Pour Epoxy South Africa. They have sponsored me the Pour Epoxy Art Epoxy Resin. The mix ratio for this resin is 100 part A and 60 part B. What I want to talk about is the viscosity in resin. So you get low, medium and high viscosity in resin. If your resin is a medium viscosity, you don't have to wait as long as low viscosity resin. Low viscosity resin will be like water. So that means alcohol ink will be falling straight down to the bottom without any resistance. I want to speak about the blobbing people get when they use certain resins and alcohol ink like the white sinkers. White sinker is what you use to throw in after you have thrown in your colors, and that is usually the sinker that drops down to the bottom. For those that does not know anything about alcohol ink and resin, alcohol ink and resin has a beautiful chemical reaction that gives you amazing patterns whenever you add the white alcohol ink sinker. To get better results, you will have to have some patience with low viscosity resin. I've been playing around with this resin for a couple of days now, and I have gathered some stats on how the viscosity changes with the alcohol ink in time. Up first, we have 0 minutes. This will be right when you throw in the resin into the mold, you throw in the alcohol ink and the white immediately. If you wait about 45 minutes after you have thrown in the resin into the molds, you can throw in your inks and you will get a little bit better results than the 0 minute mark. The 60-minute mark is probably one of the safest times to throw in your alcohol inks. The resin has been cured a little bit longer and the alcohol ink struggles to find its way to the bottom. I do accept this outcome when I do make some keycaps, but I would like a little bit less blobbing. And then last but not least, the hour and 30-minute mark. These are has not been cleaned, so it is looking a bit blurry, but the blobbing is significantly less than the others. So we have spoken about the resin viscosity. I would like to speak about the white alcohol ink right now. If your ink is still dropping like crazy, there is another way to get better results in low viscosity resin. You can try and thin out your white sinker. So the way I do it is I use about 1-to-1 ratio in white ink and isopropyl alcohol. If you have an extra drip bottle, you can use that to throw in about 20 to 40 drops of your normal white alcohol ink and then 40 drops of your isopropyl alcohol, and that will thin out the ink so that it does not drop as quickly as the normal white sinker. For the next examples, I used the thinned out white ink with the same resin and the same pattern, The first batch is 0-minute mark, and you get a little bit less blobbing than the normal white ink. Then 30 minutes or 45 minutes, this also came out amazing. There's no blobbing at the bottom. I've then waited a bit longer, like 1 hour, and the keycaps has came out amazing. Just remember, with keycaps I have to do the back press, so a lot of the ink will spill out on the side, leaving some transparent marks. One way to check your viscosity while you're waiting for the resin to get thicker is to check the surface tension. If you put a small toothpick or stick in the resin after a few minutes or after an hour or 45 minutes to an hour, there will be a little string coming from the resin